It is Tarly from Keep It Reet here. I am back and we are here at Calder Park for Friday night drifts. What do we got going on tonight that's different? We got the Reet race. We have a bunch of Australian cars. All the boys are hustling. We've been hustling for weeks now to get these cars ready. Let's go have a look. Let's sift through everyone, see how everyone's going, because people are still working. Yeah, they're yours now.
Are they yours?
Yeah.
We need two.
Mate, can you quickly tell us what's going on with your brake pads, brother?
Oh, I've never seen that before. So they're so cooked, they've been bent. The pad material actually fell out. We knew we needed calipers, but Sam and Mitch hooked in for us, so stoked on that.
Yeah, they started having a go.
I've never seen a pad like that before.
They were just going to JB weld it back together. Is that your?
Well, I would have been alright with that, to be honest, but it's only 20 laps, isn't it?
Yeah, it's. We might even be doing 12 now. We don't know. Make it a bit tighter.
Boy, how good is this? Friday night drifts. I never knew you guys put on such a good show. This is epic. Like, I've never been to an event like this. You're doing the Reet race. Look at this shit.
Yeah, and the crowd isn't even here yet.
Oh, yeah, sick. What's this big jump thing there for? Is that freestyle or something?
Yeah, we got freestyle motocross.
Is that a part of the race?
Yeah, freestyle motocross. Then we're going to be doing some jumps over some of the drift cars. We got a little bit of
over the track.
Yeah,
That's
over the track, over the cars.
This place has got some history, man. It's pretty epic.
Yeah, absolutely. Wait, give us a quick run through.
So we've got a Geordie here doing fixing up the stuff. So AU Series 1 picked it up for $800 at a police inbound auction. We welded the diff, did an oil change, put a Raceworks race seat, Raceworks harness, and that's about it. Now we're doing some brake pads. So
all you need for the Reet race. All right, let's go see what everyone else is doing.
sick. Thanks, Alex.
We got Spotto filming some videos.
Safety is #1 priority.
Mate, that's a good looking paint job you got going on there.
This is restricting blood flow. This right here, Mighty VX Commodore, this thing come from the factory with a missing fuel flap, a little bit of paint fade for weight reduction, and a missing stereo apparently. And it seems you boys did a lovely modification of finding a bucket seat that was just a little bit too small.
Good job, James.
VX Commodore.
3.8 Eco Check fucking.
Never late in a 3.8. All right, let's keep moving. My mighty steed for this evening, Tickwood Fairmont gear. Absolute weapon. I got to drive it all the way here, so I got the full test tune. She runs mint, brakes work mint. I drove it here. It is an absolute boat, but I can't wait to load up them front brakes, load up the suspension, take the weight off the rear, huck it in, see if we can't get some good turns in. Anyway, that's my car, bone stock. We got Raceworks seat, we got some harnesses in there, full spool diff actually, not welded, and that is all. Let's keep moving. Here we go. Mate, what are you guys driving this evening?
What are we driving? We're winning. We're winning in this VP immaculate Commodore. Look at this thing. We've spent so long doing this patina paint work. Grill delete for more airflow.
Yeah, I noticed that.
Mate, we've really put our time and effort into this one, but you guys better watch out, all right? We're coming in hot and we're coming in hard.
Mate, the mighty Buick. These guys have the advantage from the factory. The Buick can't be beat. Anyway, we'll see how fast this thing is. Tell us what you've been doing on this thing for the last few days.
You're distracting me. I'm in the zone. What's that? Sorry, I was just running laps in my head.
He's doing the full Formula One where they got their eyes closed and they can see the whole.
Yeah.
Absolutely. No, what have you been annoying us in our factory?
Yeah, we have. We've been ripping around. We've been gutting this thing. We got rid of the glass, the doors, the bloody everything. We put a race seat in. Our tactic is keeping it light, keeps it fast. But if you have a look on the boot, you'll see what it says, and that's what we're going for.
Well, I hope that I'm not reading that during the race, and I won't be. Let's keep moving. Rex H isn't here at the moment, so this may not make it in, but another AU currently doesn't have a race seat in it, so he's actually running and grabbing one real quick out of his drift car. and he's going to put that in before we scrutineer him. Now, I don't know, I'll talk to him about it later, but let's keep moving. Ooh! What is this?
That's Mike Lake.
Oh, okay. Mr. Michael Lake is here somewhere, and I haven't seen him yet. He's got the coolest sticker livery so far, but then right behind it is something extremely interesting, which we're going to go look at. Good to see you again, man.
Nice seeing you.
Tell us something about this car we got behind us. It looks real funny.
It's got a bit of an identity crisis going on. It's a 32 GTR, or it thinks it is.
Yeah.
It's called the Nissan. I'm hoping the Bathurst pedigree will lead me to victory.
Yeah, well, look, you've easily got the nicest paint job, that's for sure, and you got the best name. I think you got the best name by far.
I think I'll give you the name. I don't think it's the nicest paint.
How long did it take you to fit that bar up? Looks like it fits pretty well.
About 5 minutes.
Yeah,
It just went on, and then, yeah, if someone spent more than 5 minutes putting it on, it would actually look nice.
The headlights actually fit in it. That's crazy. Why is that perfect?
It just worked. So if you got a VN or VP, just throw a 32 bar on it.
All right. If you got a VN or VP, definitely throw a 32 bar on it. Are you gonna try and take it one step further for the next race?
Absolutely. I got some plans. I had 3 days to get this together, so I didn't really get to do everything I wanted. But we got a weldie, we got
A seat.
Thanks
for that, mate. Good to see you again. We're gonna keep moving, and I'll see you out on track.
I'll see you there.
All right, as you can tell, it is all going on right now. It is so loud. Everyone's getting out on track. The crowd's about to start flowing in. It is going to be a huge night for us here at Keep It Reet, as per usual. And it's the last one of the year, so there's going to be everyone down. It's going to be an epic night, and I can't wait to get in here and rub some doors with the boys in the absolute Reet cars. Let's get into it.
No swaggy, that's how I roll.
What is up, guys? It is Dave and Josh from Drift Games.
Hi.
We are heading to Australia for January 25th and 26th for Drift Fest. I'm going to be taking part in the Drift Battle Royal against some of the best drivers in the world, which is scary, and
I'm going to be competing in the Reet race against 20 other creators in a no-rules race in iconic Australian cars.
you might die.
Yeah, it's possible.
We're also going to see some expression sessions, thrash sessions. It's going to be the wildest on-track experience I think Australia's ever seen, including some of the best builds and show cars. If you guys want to head down, there's also VIP tickets available. You can come and meet Josh and I. And if you want to get a little sneaky discount, hit up the code Drift Games for 10% off. We're going to be in Australia. We're coming a long way.
We're going.
So you guys better be there. We'll see you in January for Drift Fest.
We are here at Keep It Reet, and we're about to do the Reet race. It is all going on. There are a million people here, which is perfect because it's the last one of the year. Everyone's keen. We just had driver's briefing. They said no pit maneuvers. I cried a small tear. But we're going to go out there. We're going to maneuver. We're all going to go have fun. It's going to be a good show for the crowd. We're going to have a little bit of fun beforehand. I got Zach, my Le Mans runner. So hopefully, I reckon it's all going to come down to the running race, to be entirely honest, because they're all slow. But let's go rub some doors. We're about to get sent out. Track's about to get shut down. It's all about to happen right here. Let's fucking do it.
We're going to go where the runners are starting. They have to run to the cars, tap the cars, and then the cars get to go. It's going to be gang. Gentlemen, the point of view. Start your engine.
Oh no, we've come up to a horrible start.
tyre is dead flat.
I'm getting major brake fade.
What are you doing?
How is everyone so much faster than me?
But I think he might be up and dry.
Third place, Bill not board, trying to take the inside line. The finish line, ladies and gentlemen, give it up, our first ever winner, Mike Lake in the Ford Falcon. Second place, Alex Deline, third place, Sam Holmes, Bill not board. Give these guys a round of applause. Radiator over here, there's fluid coming out of that one.
I fought to the last second. Dude, I can still drive it home. I was battling the car the entire time. I was understeered. I was trying to get my braking points right.
We race for respect.
Oh, absolutely. I was busting through the chicanes like at the end. I started to get the feel for it, but oh my god, I felt like I was going to roll it the whole time, dude.
You've done well, mate. Good race.
Thanks,
good race.
Mate.
How was it?
Mate, I had so much fun. That thing is such a boat, but it was so good. You saw me understeering in that rear corner. Oh, dude, I let Woody in front. I would have been second last. I would have been in that little rat race, but I just missed it. And then I tried to get the feel for the car, but I just couldn't make it. But hey, I had heaps of fun. The car performed. The car's also going to get me home. I didn't die. Day well spent.
You Brexit keeper!